Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is fine there. This is teacher Nadeem, and now we will start our topic Microsoft Excel 2007 part 3. So in last session we have seen what is cell and cell address, what is row and column, and now today we will start about Microsoft Excel formulas. Okay, so this is about formula. What is formula? Writing a formula, there are some steps and procedures which we have to follow. Like if you want to write any formula, you should start with is equal sign. Okay, this is the very important thing. If you don't put this is equal sign, you cannot write any formula. Then you have to select the cell address, operators. Now we will talk about later on operators also, and then press enter. Example is equal to A2 cell address plus B2 cell address, then press enter. What will be the result that we will do over here? I will show you here. Okay, so like example, this is 5. Okay, and this is 5. Okay, so what is the cell address of 5 is A2, and what is other one is 5, this is B2. Okay, now we want to do use formula for this. Okay, so I will use is equal sign A2. Okay, and I'm sorry, my in my keyboard I am using this. Okay, uh, I will use plus. Okay, and then on your keyboard you can do it. I have some problem in my laptop keyboard, so I'm not able to do the things uh, accordingly. Like then I will type B2 and enter. I will press enter, so this will be the result. Okay, now this is the cell address. In this formula bar you can see the formula. Okay, if I will remove this formula, okay, like example, I will remove this formula, so it will become just simple letter and number. No addition will happen, like calculation will not happen. If when I will press is equal and I will press enter, it will become 10. Now I will make here, once I will set the formula, I can do like 25 is equal to 25. I'm sorry, 25 plus addition 25, total is 50. So this is an example just. And now what is operator? Okay, operator is a basic element of a formula. It is a symbol that represent an operation or the what to do with the data. Like first one is mathematical operators, then logical operator, and third is reference. So we will see what is mathematical operator. So these are the symbols. You know all this thing before only, like we say plus, minus, divide, multiply, percentage, and text concatenation. Okay, so here if you will see this symbol called in mathematical operator addition, this one subtraction, division, multiplication, percentage, and this and sign is text concatenation. Okay, so here is the example, like 5 plus 9, what is the answer? I can make it harder, but now for understanding the simple like letters, numbers, sorry. So 5 plus 9, answer is 9. 9 minus 5 is answer is 4. And you can pause the screen and you can check. You can do this practice at your home on your computer, desktop, laptop, or on mobile phone also you can do this practice. And 15 divided by 3 is equal to, answer is 5. 6 multiply by 3, 18. Percentage of 12, percentage point 12. Okay, and 4, and this sign is and 4 and 5 is equal to 45. That I will show you later on in activities. You will see this all, how we apply this operators in our activities. Okay, next is logical operators. So these are the symbols, like is equal to, greater than, less than, greater or equal to, less than or equal to, or not equal to. So what is this logical operator? If you will see this, is it 6 is equal to 6? What is the answer? True. That I will show you in Excel. Okay, just now I will show you like how I get this answer. So simply this is a logical operator, so there are some logic we have to use. So you can see here my battery is dead now almost. True, directly it is showing me an answer. I will go here, it will give me answer directly. So if I will type here, is equal to 6, 6 is equal to 6, enter. True, answer is true. Why it is true? Because the logical operator is telling this 6 is equal to 6 is true. Now next is greater than 2. So I will take this, I'm sorry, I will take this and I will type here. You can see this in formula bar, it's false. Why it is false? Because 6 is not greater than 6. Okay, but if I will change here, I will keep it 7, then false. Okay, if I will make it 5, then you will see true, it's changed. So this is the logic, that's why it's called logical operator. Okay, I will make it 6, false. Okay, now tell me what will be the answer for this, true or false. I will take this, copy, I will paste it here. False again, check. 6. If I will not put this is equal sign, the formula will not work. It will show me a simple number. Okay, I have to put is equal sign, then it will show me it will show me the answer. Okay, so this is also false. Now I will take this one. This is I'm taking class. You can do you can do this practice at home. So now I will paste true. So 6 greater than or equal 6 is true, answer is true. Rest you can do this practice at home and you can answer me. I will ask you this question in your quiz. Okay, and last I will start with operator, reference operators. So this is the symbol for reference operator. Okay, this two dots and comma. So this is called range and this is called union. So if you will see here downstairs, like in bottom, if you will see in this from A to F. Okay, so in one line only I have the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So if I will select this all, okay, I will give you an example for this. First I will move this all. I will write any number 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mashallah, it is not working. I'm sorry. It's come in once only. One, two, three, four, five, and six. So if I will select this all, okay, if I will select this all, this is called range. Okay, if I will select this all, this is called range. For some calculation example is equal, I will select this all, okay, from here to here, A to F. So this is called range. Okay, I'm not adding any addition or subtraction formula now, just to show you the simple thing. Okay, is equal to 8 and this two dots, okay, F1, from A to F1. This is called range. Okay, but now if I will put A1, I will press control key, listen properly, I will press control key and then I will press uh, F1. So this is called union. Okay, so you can see the same thing over here, and I have give you a demonstration practical. So just keep in mind, I will ask you this in your quiz, and this is the end of part 3 lesson. Inshallah, in part 4 we will learn, we will do some activities and practice. So I hope you understand, and if you have any question you can ask me on WhatsApp and I will be there for you. Thank you very much, Shabab. Thank you.